Local news for Thursday the 26th of April. The Masterton community is being urged to have its say on the future of the town's two iconic lakes, which were key to it being named New Zealand's most beautiful city. Masterton Mayor Lynn Patterson says supporting the health of local rivers is a key priority for council, but it needs to be balanced with ensuring community benefits from existing water bodies are retained. South Wairarapa District Council Mayor Viv Napier has instigated that management complete a full report on all land issues on Fitzherbert Street, Featherston. The report will be presented at next month's council meeting. The report Mayor Napier says, "I acknowledge that this issue around the land on Fitzherbert Street is a very important one to the Featherston community, and we're doing all we can to sort the issues." And the Wairarapa News weekly free newspaper is set to close after failing to find a buyer. Stuff announced that earlier this week. And in sport, this weekend's hockey sees both Dalefield's teams playing Kapiti, the men away to Kapiti while the women are at home.